Officials with the CDC are set to meet tomorrow to review the cases. Meanwhile, Georgia health officials are following federal recommendations to pause the Johnson & Johnson vaccine.
So far, 17% of Georgia's adult population has been fully vaccinated. But as Fox 5's Brooke Zahner reports tonight, the state is starting to see a surplus of supply and a decrease in demand.
For the last 2 days, no appointment was necessary to get a COVID vaccine at Mercedes-Benz Stadium. Georgia's Department of Public Health says it wasn't long ago when COVID vaccines were hard to come by, but now they're focused on reaching the population that's vaccine hesitant.
And so there is a significant amount of appointments out there that are available across the state, not only in the metro region, but out in the rural areas.
It was about 3 weeks ago when Governor Kemp announced all Georgians 16 and older would be eligible for the COVID-19 vaccine. What was once a vaccine supply issue is now becoming an issue of finding people who want to get vaccinated.
I think that we're at a point where we need to really reassure people about the importance and the safety, because I think we have in many places more vaccine than we have people wanting the vaccine.
According to the CDC, about 27% of Georgia's population has at least one dose of the vaccine. That's one of the lowest rates in the country. Georgia Department of Public Health officials say they'd like to see that percentage much higher by July.
I've said at several events, we'd like to see 80% of all Georgians vaccinated by the 4th of July so we can celebrate Georgia's independence from the virus.
Fulton County health officials say more than 165,000 vaccines have been administered at the Mercedes-Benz site since it first opened in January. They say they are still seeing demand for the vaccine, but it's not as high as it once was.
From my perspective, not everybody feels comfortable going to a big stadium.
The Department of Public Health is now focused on finding more creative ways to get the vaccine out to the community.
In order for us to truly reach, I think, the hesitant population, we have to be in the community. That may be setting up at grocery stores or setting up at churches.
The site here at Mercedes-Benz Stadium is not currently administering the Johnson & Johnson vaccine, so they're not impacted by that change. If you're interested in making a COVID-19 vaccination appointment, just head to fox5atlanta.com. Reporting outside Mercedes-Benz Stadium, Brooke Zahner, Fox 5 News.